Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yashi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I plan and organize my week. So I basically love to plan, but sometimes my plans don't go as planned. But planning gives me a set goal to work towards. And the happiness that I get when I see that all or at least almost all of my tasks are done. So I use two notebooks for my planning. One is for my social media related tasks, another one is for my general day-to-day planning. I have certain things that I like to do on a certain day of the week or during a certain time of the day. For instance, I like to record my YouTube videos in the morning or noon hours. I like to do cleaning related tasks on Thursdays, things like that. So these play an important role when I'm planning my week. So as the first step of my planning process, I like to figure out what my general goals are. These are the goals that I want to achieve each week. For instance, I want to upload 2 YouTube videos each week, or I want to work out 4 days each week, things like that. Then I write these goals down on my notebook, so every time I see them, it kind of motivates me. Next, I break these general goals down into specific tasks. For instance, if we take my 2 YouTube video uploads as the goal, then my tasks would consist of all the individual steps in the YouTube video making process. Once I figure out my general goals and specific tasks, I prioritize my tasks based on certain factors. One factor is the deadline. For instance, if I have a submission due this weekend, then my priority throughout the week would be for my submission. Or if I want to upload a video on Thursdays, then my priority in the beginning of the week would be towards making the YouTube video. Another factor that I use to prioritize my tasks are the time consumed for each task. For instance, making a YouTube video might take about 2 to 3 days. So I prioritize that over tasks that can be done faster. Another factor that I consider are the follow-ups required. Sometimes I might need to check something with my lecturer before my final submission. So I give more priority to my submission in the beginning of the week. This way I can finish my work, check with my lecturer, give myself more time for other tasks in between, and then again prioritize my submission closer to the deadline. The final factor that I consider when prioritizing my tasks are the dependents. For instance, if I want to do a voiceover tonight, I need a video clip ready. So my first priority would be to make the video clip, then I would prioritize the voiceover. Once I figure out my tasks and prioritize them, I write them down in my notebook. And when I write them down, I don't write them in any particular order because I number them based on my priorities once I'm done writing down the whole list. This way I can add new tasks in and change my priorities if needed. So generally I like to give myself a spare day for big tasks such as submissions or making YouTube videos. This way I have less stress and more time to relax or make final changes. So that is how I plan my week. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos related to arts and craft, DIY, fashion designing, embroidery, cooking, planning and organizing, and many more. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and take care.